Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, in this platform, Progress the Analyst, I bring it to you back to back. And there is every reason why you should subscribe to Progress the Analyst and why you should share our videos. Because if you did not, you are missing a lot, so that whenever I drop any update, you'll be the first to notify. So I want you to follow me and see what is really happening to Nigerians that are living in Mali. Abba, it has been good 10 years that some of them has been under captivity in Mali, but nobody never heard about it. What they do, they make a video and they start sharing it, calling for help, that they have been in that place for good 10 years. 5 years, they are really suffering. Not that they are free walking along the streets, no, they are under captivity. I want you to sit back, watch this video. Your sister or your brothers, your relative, your friends might be there, so that you know that a lot is really going on. So we see and look for a means of communicating with them and also reach out to them. So listen, watch this video and I'll be right back.
The Nigerian.
Bamako prison, Bamako women prison, Bola farm, freedom. We need freedom.
I've been here for 2 years and how many months now? Now, prison, Bola farm, I beg for Mali, I beg government, I beg. Look, we need freedom. I need freedom, I beg, oh God. 5 years. For 1 year now, they sick. No medicine, no treatment. Now 5 years, no judgment, no freedom.
No judgment, no food. I beg our brothers, who never so. Ndi Igbo become ndị aha Chineke na you na ụmụ nwa Ebonyi. I no go about 2 years and I want to close it. And I come na court, nothing. I use God beg on a help on our people. We not feel that here. We say as all of us, we many for year, we many, some day 5 years, some way they just 10 years, then they here. I beg men and help, we need freedom. We need freedom. Freedom that we need. My brothers and sisters, we need freedom. And they go help him, three years and some months now. We need the help when because well, I put in a house with Mama, where boom, Mama, Jackson, and our Gaga, Mama, what because our government not gonna do to our crime on our airport because the suffering is too much. The suffering is too much. 5 years, no judgment. The one they judge 10 years, they put 10 years. The suffer too much. Our government, our brothers and on our airport are dead.
I don't think you're beg. I don't even know what I don't get this one for me. My family I been one I beg my sister and my brother, I beg going state on cheap base. I beg Mona help me. I don't be here for 4 years now, no help. My mommy nowhere, nobody know we are there. I beg Mona help us. Mona help us. With the many I want to help my sister, I beg Mona help us. Nigerian people with their beg for help. We don't want prison. We are many, we more than 60 for here, Nigerian women. We are more than 60 or 100. Then they judge, we dey here, some day here 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, no judgment. Hungry. Then those that maltreat us anyhow. Please, we need help. Nigerian people, anyhow you people can help us to help us for this prison, please. It suffer too much for our head. Please, I beg Nigeria, please, government.
So my beautiful family, when you see those are sisters, you see that they speak different dialects. Some are from Robo, Igbo, Ijo, Shekiri. So I don't really know. Nigeria at 64. Oh my goodness. There is every reason why you need to share this video so that it will get to the right authority, so that they will know that a lot is really going on. So my beautiful family, as we are even talking about Mali, see the next update here.
I don't want to say this point, but I just feel that the Senate network is really the worst network ever. or Zenith Bank. When it comes to network, Zenith Bank is the worst. Worst. Like since Monday, I've really been having network issue. I can't withdraw. I can't do anything. Like I supposed to be. I had some project to do for over 2 days now. It has not been working. I don't know what's really going on. I don't know what's really going on. Look at everybody outside. I don't even know what's really going on at this point because it's really frustrating. It's really frustrating. For how many days now? All the projects supposed to do everything has just it was just a mess up. Seriously, I've every plan to just submit, and this is the only bank I'm using. I'm only using Zenith. I don't have any other bank I'm using. So all my money is inside that bank. Every money I have inside the bank. It's really that you have money inside the bank, even if you have 1 billion, as long as it's in this bank, I don't think you have access to that money because they will frustrate you with that money. Like seriously, like this. I'm really angry, frustrated. I just hope that if you have money in this bank, just go and try and remove it, close down the bank. Because seriously, I'm going to open other banks. I'm going to open as many other banks I can just scatter my money. But any bank, for real, this any bank is fucked up, real fucked up, seriously fucked up. Look how people have been here since morning. People have been here since morning. Some people came, they said they came around 5. I came around way after 7, and since then I've been here. They're telling me not give us 20 minutes, give us 30 minutes, give us 10 minutes, and nothing is being done. Nothing is being done. There's nothing that is being done. I just hope that God help us this country. How would you even OP? Look at OP. OP, if they have issues, say OP does not do like this. OP does not do like this if they have issue. OP don't do like this. OP don't act like this. Once they have any issue, the last time I had issue with OP was even the time we had a general network issue where even the social media shut down for a day, and they resolved it. But this one, this one is really a big problem for me. I think I can cope with this kind of thing. Transfer not working, app is not working, USD code, USSD code is not working. I don't even know what to say. Like everything is just really messed up. Seriously, everything is really messed up. They said 10 minutes, 10 minutes down to 40 minutes. Now give us a little time. Little time now is turning to how many hours? Yes, so God will help us. God will really help us, I swear, because I'm really frustrated with this.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.